Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another shave review. Right into the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it shave good? Today, we are coming at you with this Shark SH25. This is made by Lord. Now, I paid about $7 USD on Amazon for it. Got the razor, 2 5-pack of blades. Now, if you didn't see last week's video, I showed you this Lord razor. Was very, very impressed with it. So, let's find out what this one is all about. Again, I've never used a razor like this. I might have used Shark blades when I first got into wet shaving several years ago, but it's been a long time, so we'll get into that. Today's soap, we are going with Ariana and Evans. This is Asian Pear. Matching splash. Been a while since I've used this. Absolutely love the scent on this. Fantastic stuff. In the sink, we have our PAA 24mm Moon Striker Snickle Hybrid Brush. So, let's crack open this razor and see what we got. Small perforations on the back. Probably going to end up destroying this package. There's no way to save it, I don't think. So, now it looks very, very much like the old style Gillette Slim Twists. Also, I did a review of this a couple weeks ago too. This is a Gillette I picked up from AliExpress from China. Paid just a few bucks for it. So same appearance. Right off the top, different head on this, significantly different weight. 3-piece. Now it looks like it's got a slightly different head than what came with this one. Again, fairly generic Mule Edwin Jagger style head. So, first things first. Got a 4-inch handle on this one. Run it across the kitchen scale. $35 grams. We'll put this in ounces. .2 ounces. So obviously where it's a plastic handle, this is extremely head heavy. There's just no balance whatsoever. It's going to be, all the weight's going to be in the head, but that actually might be kind of useful. But we are going to soak this in the barbicide, get a lather built up, and we're going to come right back. So we are back. Got it loaded up. You can see there's not a whole lot of blade exposure there. End tabs are not completely covered, but there's not a whole lot of the end tabs sticking out. Kind of expect this to be a fairly mild shave. Now our Philips Sharp 3D printed lather bowl. We have an amazing lather built up. Excited to get this one to go. By the way, this is one of my PAA ugly sweater t-shirts that I got for this past winter. I'm having a shirt made with my new logo on it. Should be here maybe in the next week or two, so excited about that. So anyway, crank up the rock music if you like it, if you don't, and we're going to get a multi-speed shave on. We'll come back with our post, so stay tuned. So, 3.5 pass shave. Why? Because I kind of forgot what the hell I was doing on my last pass. Started going with the grain and then remembered what I was supposed to be doing going against. Overall, that's damn near BBS. So, next step, take the alum block, run it under water, run it over our face. So, slight bit of burn. I think I had a weaver up here, just a tiny little one. Just a little bit of down here, a little bit of burn down here. Next, take the splash. Love the scent of this stuff. Definitely got a bit of burn with that one. But, and that's the package it came in. What do I think? Overall, it feels like, I don't know, it's heavier, it's more substantial. It's definitely not as heavy as like a Mueller or Edwin Jagger head, but I definitely like the head on that better than on this particular razor. It's definitely head heavy, obviously, because of the handle. I was actually surprised. I don't even dislike the handle at all. And the collar on this one feels much better than on the Chinese-made Gillette. But let me show you something else interesting. If you don't like the handles, or if you like the handle and don't like the head, now, I don't know what handle this is. I've had it for quite a while. That's a razor head I used in a previous video, which I need to revisit. But this feels like a very, very heavy handle. Universal threading. And now you've got a much girthier, much heavier razor. And basically, you paid about $7 USD for that razor head and 10 blades. And in my mind, for the $7, even with the original handle, it's so worth it. So anyway, I hope you found it useful. Let me know what you think down below in the comments and we'll wrap this one up. So you guys take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. You take care. Bye-bye.